Namaskaram, I am Arjun Amitra Jyoti and you are watching my book blogging channel. This is my first book that I have published on my own. This is a Malayalam poetry compilation. Udalil Pootha Orayyiram Pookalunda Uyiril Poonda Orazhi Pol. If you feel like if you want to read it, you can just directly message me. I will send the book to you. Okay, so today we are talking about a book called The Fallen and the Snake Bitten by Anilesh Anurag. This is a book of poetry. This is published by RK Publishing Venture and it will cost you 210 rupees. So he has already written, Anilesh Anurag has already written, or I have already reviewed one book of his, that is this നിമിഷാർത്ഥത്തിൽ കൊഴിഞ്ഞ അദൃശ്യമാകുന്ന ഇലകൾ, which is again another book of poetry, which is again published by RK Publishing Venture. It will cost you 130 rupees. This is also a wonderful book. Okay. So coming to The Fallen and the Snake Bitten, this is an English poetry book. It can be called as kind of a haiku kind of poetry, not exactly haiku but very small but very effective. Okay, like Takila Shorts, we can say. Beautiful language he has, beautiful language. Just God is my extension, broader than me in love, deeper than me in pain. Once I have talked to him, he told me that he want to release a book on insights on life, and more than poetry, this book deals with insights on life, I have to say. It has that kind of clarity. It has that kind of a clarity when affirming thoughts, when talking about the facts of life. It deals with mainly love and the question of existence. This book deals with it, and in very few words he conveys to you the ambiguity, the beauty of it. Ambiguous and beautiful. Nothing is absolute in life, right? You know that, right? And that's the beauty of it. Waiting becomes worthy wisdom when it's pursued without a hope. Beautiful language, beautiful language. So if you have the habit of reading Osho and that kind of literature where they talk about the insights about life, that is usually written in the prose form, right? You can get the same in the poetry form in this book. Okay, and it won't you won't be wasting your time when you are reading it. It's a small book, but the point is this kind of books are for repeated reading. When you read again, after some time you will get new things, you will find new hidden gems inside this. Just look at this. Reciprocated love is rarest on this earth, all the rest is unanswered echoes. So as I have told you, he has a strong writing voice. He is going to publish a book called The Art of Dying, which is a study on suicide. I have already ordered the book. When it is being published, he will send that book to me, because his voice is something that is very distinct, that is very unique. I think this Anilesh is somebody will be a force to reckon with in future, in the literary circles at least. So if you love poetry, if you love insights, if you love language for the love of language, you can read this book. It will give you a huge kick. That's what I usually basically, reading is a kind of a healthy addiction as far as I'm concerned, and this kind of books will simply boost that addiction. So do try The Fallen and the Snake Bitten. If you love what I do, like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you press the bell icon, you will get the notifications. Hope you are safe. Stay safe. Thank you for listening.